Start by creating achievable goals. When I started my website, I had no idea what I was doing, but I knew that if I wanted to motivate myself to actually go to my computer and work on it every day, I was going to have to set goals. I was dreaming about the things I was going to do with the money I made to make me want to get up and work on it every day. And I am so glad I did this and continue to do this, because each month these goals push me hard to engage and grow a community for my blog online, which then helps me grow my income. In the beginning, it was hard to set goals about how much money I thought I could make because I didn't have anything to base it off of, so keep that in mind when you are getting started. Your goals will become more accurate as you get used to blogging. So when it comes to you and your website, here is something to think about when setting your initial goals. Earning $1 million a month when you have nothing to sell and no followers may be impossible, but earning a few $100s or even $1,000 is not. My first month blogging goals were: earn $250. What I thought I could do with that, half of our groceries, or my nails, or getting my hair done. Pinterest followers, 1,000. I didn't plan to focus on Facebook and Instagram followers. Facebook page likes, 70. Instagram followers, 50. Now my goals look much more like this. Earn $10,000 a month. What we're currently saving for: saving for fertility treatments, saving for a new house, a new car. Schedule 70+ pins a day, using Tailwind once a week. Write one weekly newsletter using MailChimp. Keep active in my Facebook group. Grow my Pinterest following 500 a month. Goals are so important. Thinking about the amount of money I want to make for the things I want in my life makes it so much easier to want to wake up and work for my goals every day. Thinking about being able to bring a baby into our home because of the blogging business I created for our family is the greatest motivation I could ever have. Do you want to start your own money-making blog? I highly suggest you jump into blogging while it is spring. It is so much easier to start a blog when it's spring because people spend more time at home, and are using social media. They aren't with family for the holidays, and they aren't yet busy with their school-age kids during the summer. When people are on social media more, they are more likely to see your blog. I know starting a blog can be overwhelming. It seems like there is so much you need to know, and how are you supposed to know how to set everything up, and make sure you are getting the best deal on starting a blog? Also, how are you supposed to know how to design your blog and get traffic? I kept getting questions from friends, and people who wanted to start their own blogs. So I figured the best way to answer all these questions would be to create a free, did I mention it's free? 6-day email course, which will teach you step by step how to set up a blog, install your theme, make a logo, and create monetized content. It will completely kickstart your blogging success. I totally suggest taking it if you don't already have a blog, or if you do already have a blog and want the advice, because I really want to help you get your dream job. Here is a more detailed guide of what we go over in it. Day 1, how to choose a name, and blog topics. Day 2, how to start a blog and install the design of your choice. Day 3, planning out your content. Day 4, monetizing your website as a beginner. Day 5, increasing your website's traffic to make more money. Day 6, wrap up and guide to follow for the future to maximize profit.